Okay, here's a video walk around of my 1958 Dodge W200 Power Wagon. You can see it has the badging on the side of it for a V8 engine, W200, which it is. There's the inside of the truck. There's the stake side bed. You can see that it's all metal railing and fits nicely. There's the existing system. There's the back end. I don't know if you can see from that, but there's a little bit of bowing right in here where it's been pulled out from a heavy load. Someone asked about the steering. There's the old steering knuckle. There's a couple of broken ears on there. And that's all that I have left of it, all the way up to the steering wheel. Here's the driver's side of the truck. Again, you can see all the controls. I've taken the air filter off. You can see the complete engine. You can see it's cold. Haven't started it yet today. Let's fire this baby up. Pull out the choke a little bit. Give it three good pumps on the gas pedal. Make sure it's still in neutral. And crank it over. Sounds like it could use a little more gas. Push the choke in. There we go. Dual exhaust, driver's side. There's the engine cranking away. I overhauled the carburetor a while back, so it's looking a little better. Running a lot better. There's the passenger side exhaust. Previous owner put a funky bracket on here to hold up the oil filter. If I were to keep it, I'd take that thing off right away. Not much to see under there. There's a alternator running, power steering pump added. And she runs really sweet. Don't know what that's all about. I think she's still a little cold. Usually runs better than that. I'm surprised there's the hesitation on the full throttle. Running a little rich, perhaps. Oh, let's see. We also have headlights. Notice when I pull the headlights on, the ammeter moves. Oil pressure looks good. Tachometer works. Sorry. Headlights on. Turn signal flashing. There you go.